Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Araceli Zuluaga. I am married. I work in IPS. I have 8 years old. I like doing. I live in Itagüí. My house is small. Its door is white, a window big. My living room, I have a hug TV and sofa. My kitchen is huge, very big. And shower is white and have 3 bedrooms, small. I don't have cat and dog. I am very happy in my house. My daily routine is wake up every day 5 a.m. After that, I take a shower 6 a.m. The next, a dog is taking a car to go to work. I start working at 8 a.m. I take lunch 1 p.m. and then to go gym 4 p.m. After that, I read after that I read 4:15 before bed. And finally, I go to sleeping. Bye bye.